So I've wanted to try out silent switches for a while. Time to do it. For the build, I decided to use the Silent Black ink switch, known for its 𝗀𝗀. So I ran into a bit of an issue. This PCB does support 5-pin hot swap, except for this one socket. Had to clip it, but that's fine. And I was finally able to finish the board. The quality of these keycaps is amazing. Thanks, Akko. Sounds quiet already. This Akko board looks amazing stock, but it's not silent, and we made it silent. Stabs had some work to do. Anyways, it's time for a quick sound test, and if you want a full review of the switch or the keyboard itself, please leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe, as I'll be releasing full videos on my channel soon. Just enjoy. Like and sub if you enjoyed.